In this quick presentation, brought to you by the liquor license experts at Resonator Services, we will go over some basics for obtaining your liquor license, as well as a quick overview of the requirements. A liquor license is necessary for conducting any business that involves the sale, production, distribution, importing, exporting, and transportation of alcohol. Even something as simple as conducting a tasting will require a license. The type of license that you will need varies based on the exact business model you want to have. There is a grocery or drugstore beer license or a grocery, drugstore, beer, and wine products license. Both these licenses are useful only for off-premise consumption. The customer cannot consume the alcohol at your establishment. The difference between the beer and wine products license is that the beer and wine allows for sale of wine products. What is a wine product, you ask? A wine product is defined as a drink with 6% or less alcohol by volume. This is the typical wine cooler or other flavored alcohol drinks such as Mike's Hard Lemonade. Next, we have the restaurant wine license. This allows for the sale of wine and beer at your restaurant. To qualify for this license, your establishment must make the bulk of its sales from food, not alcoholic drinks. You may also sell beer for off-premises consumption. There is also an eating place beer license. This license differs a bit from the restaurant wine license in that you can only sell beer. However, as with the restaurant wine license, the bulk of your sales must be from food. If you need to run a bar, then the on-premises liquor license, also known as the New York Bar License, is what you need. It allows for the sale of beer, wine, and liquor. Food must be served at your establishment, but this does not have to be the main source of income. If you're running an establishment where dancing or live music takes place, then you'll need the cabaret license. The rules for this license are somewhat similar to the bar license. You can sell beer, wine, and liquor, but it is given for a location that has live entertainment. There are also licenses for manufacturers, wholesale distributors, and even for one-day events. The details vary on the situation, so contact the liquor license expert at Resonator Services for more information. Once you've decided what license you need, you should be aware that a liquor license is tied to at least three things: you as an officer, your company, the physical address where you will conduct your business. Clients often ask if there are any conditions that automatically disqualify one from having a liquor license. Being under 21 years of age or being a law enforcement officer with arresting powers automatically disqualifies you from having a license under your name. There are other issues such as not being a citizen or legal resident of the U.S. or having a record. Please call Resonator Services with your specific situation, as these issues depend on a case-by-case basis. For establishments that wish to sell full liquor, you must not be within 200 feet of a church, school, or place of worship. Every circumstance is different and falls under specific categories and rules. This is why it is so important to have an expert on your side that can help you navigate this complex process. Call Resonator Services for a free consultation and find out how to get started.